In this video, I will show you how to fix a suspended TikTok account. First of all, you need to open up the TikTok app on your device. Now you need to click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. The next step is to click on the three lines in the top right corner so this menu shows up. From here you need to go to Settings and Privacy. Now you need to scroll down until you see Support and click on it. From here you need to go to Safety Center. The next step is to click on Community Guidelines. You need to make sure that you didn't violate any of the community guidelines. After you did that, you need to go back to your profile. Now you need to go to your inbox and then to System Notifications. Inside of System Notifications, there should be a notification about your suspension. In this notification, there should be an option to appeal. After you did that, TikTok should respond in 4 to 7 business days. If you didn't violate any of the community guidelines, you should get your account back. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.